The ongoing relay hunger strike by Uripok Apunba Lup and Uripok Nupi Apunba Lup, demanding justice for 6 innocent civilians from Jiribam, has entered its 23rd day. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Uripok Apunba Lup Samom Druba highlighted that the protesters had urged state government to declare responsible Kuki militants for the Jiribam incident as terrorists. However, there has been no positive response from the government. Samom Druba further emphasized that the relay hunger strike will continue until the government meet their demands.
Nasi ako'y nasangsilliba kongjang ngasi tasengna hairagadi yamna laibakiba thodok Jiribamda thokiba thodok tuda ako'y hanipan khata ngairiba angang yauna chei ahum khata suriba angang chei nipan mapun mukta suriba angang amadi chei humpugi matakta leijaraba masu masagi meng makhada leige khaliba ima ama yauna ningol ani yauna matamduda mioi tarukpu hostage oina phagraba matungda yamna tamthiba mongda mioi binei All of them that Moko Halakpaduna Maram Orega, any community so isno, Amasu isno, Dupi Angang the Put Hava Hypoposia, Masi Yaning de Havi Kolaugalina, Masiga Marie, Lena, Equi, Uribo Open Bulub Nangasiga Tan and Wikundo Goini, Sancilla Iba, Putang Try and Wiki Kongjang, Asiga Marie Lena, Equi, Manipur government, Amadi, India government, Home the Queen Hajiri Basi, Hariba Maral Labor Syndrome, Akpasera Kubu, Maralgi Matumina, Hariba, Todok to the Seneriba. Aduma Kuki organization sing Adumba Akoy Lokuna the Sienaba, Punamu terrorist and Lautopi Hiva, Kongjang si Akoy sanction Japanese, government side Akoy positive response, Akoy Uzadri, Maramaduna, Sanction Liba, Kongjang si Akoy Makata, sanction Jagini,